Hey guys, and welcome back to Makeup by Ewan, and today in this video I'm going to be doing a review, and I love doing reviews. I think they're so fun and interesting because you don't know what the outcome is, but today I do know the outcome because I have already filmed this video 3 times. I've filmed it fully like once before, and then I started filming it like another time before and I didn't get around to it. But this time I'm refilming it because I recently got a MacBook.
Oh, so you're rich.
And I put my SD card in it to edit my video. And I pulled the SD card out and it goes, you took it out without clicking eject. And I thought, oh, it like it doesn't mean anything. And then I put it back in and it just doesn't register. And I'm like, oh God, what's happening? And turns out, because I didn't click eject, my SD card went corrupt. So here I am refilming it. But after that long explanation, I'm here. And I'm back to refilm the review of the Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions Light Eyeshadow Palette. Oh my God, it's not coming out. So this is what the palette looks like up close. It's got this like skin effect on it, which is really, really pretty. And then this is what the inside looks like. Obviously it has already been used and that did not look like that when it came. As you can see, it's an absolutely gorgeous eyeshadow palette, like colour scheme, especially for my skin tone. Also guys, do you like my nails? I just tried doing fake nails myself and I think it turned out really nice. Comment down below if you like my nails and like if you do your nails yourself or you go to a salon. So first things first, to prep my eyes, I'm going to be prepping them with the MAC Paint Pot in Painterly. So now I've prepped my eyes, it's time to do the eyeshadow look.
No shit, Sherlock!
So first things first, I'm going to be applying a transition shade in the crease, and I'm going to do that by using a mixture of these 2 shades here, and as I said, I'm just going to pop that in the crease. So now that transition is applied to my crease, I'm just going to be going in with this shade here, just kind of below it and over my crease. I did also forget to say I did my eyebrows using the Michelin Chocolate Brow Duo in the shade Dark. And if you don't know what Michelin is, it's quite a small European brand, but let me tell you something, they have some of the most gorgeous and underrated packaging.
I love everything about this.
So definitely hats off to them for that. So now I've placed that pinky mauve colour on my lid, I'm going to be doing a half cut crease. So to cut the crease, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in 12N, and can we just admire how pretty this Shape Tape is? Because recently Tarte have been running this promotion where if you bought a Shape Tape, you just had to pay £1 for this bejeweled holiday cap, and it is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm now going to set this concealer with this pale nude colour out of obviously the Huda Beauty Light Nude Obsessions. Now I'm going to be applying this beautiful purple shimmer shade on top of that cut crease.
What's up with that?
So I've just attempted to apply that purple shade, but a problem with Huda's shimmer formula is it doesn't work very well on a brush. Even when you wet it with a bit of setting spray, it doesn't really work that well, but they have gorgeous payoff when you use your fingers, but my nails are way too long that I can't really get them just in the corners of them. So I've tried as much as I can to get some shimmer on there. I'm gonna try reapplying a bit more in a little bit, but right now I'm just gonna move on to deepening up the outer corner with this dark brown color. Hey guys, so I'm back and this is the finished eyeshadow look using the Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions Light Palette. So this is what it looks like up close and personal. I think it is a very, very nice eyeshadow palette, but I'll get into my final thoughts in a minute. Obviously, please just excuse my foundation right now. I know the camera's making it look like it doesn't fit into my chest, but it does. First things first, I just want to say I do actually already own a Huda Beauty palette. I own the Ruby Obsessions palette, and this is a gorgeous palette, and I know the formula is good on it. I knew when I was going to buy this that I would like the formula because I already have a palette, and that's true even after I've used it. I absolutely love the matte formula in this one as much as I do in the old one. The matte formula is so blendable and just so easy to like work with each other. The Morphe pink shade blended in beautifully with the transition shade. I think Huda Beauty's matte formula is stunning and really well formulated. On the other hand, the shimmers aren't the best. As you could see, I tried to apply them with a brush and it didn't really work. And if you're someone who doesn't have long fake nails on, you'll be able to pick it up with your finger and put it on your eyelid. And that actually makes the shades work beautifully. And I think when you apply the shades with your finger, it comes out stunning. But if you can't put it on with your finger, then you're kind of stuck because it doesn't really work that well, which really is a shame because the matte formula is so good. It's just a shame the shimmer formula is kind of bringing it down, especially when the shimmers are such beautiful shades. Like you have this pink to gold duochrome down here, which I would have loved to use. And this purpley blue shade is gorgeous. And it's just a shame that the formula kind of really brings it down. So onto my final thoughts. I think the concept of the palette is amazing. You know, 3 palettes for different skin tones. So, you know, you can really get the most out of your palette. So I really like the thought process behind them. The matte formula on them, you know my opinion about that. I love the Huda Beauty matte formula. I love the matte formula in my Nude Obsessions palette. And I love the matte formula in my Ruby Obsessions palette. The shimmer formula, on the other hand. Hey guys, so right now you might be wondering what's happening. I've had to move recording to my phone because my camera's just like, the storage on my SD card has ran out. So anyway, onto my final thoughts. Yeah, so I think I just finished talking about how I thought the shimmer formula needed some fixing, which I do. But yeah, overall I think the palette is gorgeous. The Nude palette is such a good palette for everyday use that I feel like you will get so much use out of these nude shades, and definitely a lot of use out of the matte shades. And for £27, I think they're so good. Like, say if you're in a rush and you get on the train and you've got like half an hour until you get to school or work or whatever, you can just do that because they're so small and they have such a good mirror on them. You know, you can see your whole face in the mirror, and I think the color story in this is so good, and I honestly, wholeheartedly will say I think they are worth the £27. You know, because if you have a finger that can put your shimmer shade on, you'll go. Like, there's, I think everyone saw the shimmer shades in this palette are gorgeous. Like, if you can use them properly, then they're so good. Oh my god, it is so weird to be filming on a phone. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and show me support by subscribing to my channel, because I'm trying to like get back into my uploading schedule by like uploading every week or every 2 weeks. So please subscribe for that. I sound like such a bag right now, but every YouTuber does at the end of their video. So oh my god, I hope this outro is kind of showing you that I wasn't lying, that, oh my god, my foundation doesn't exactly match, but it's a better match than what my camera was making it out to be. But anyway, my Instagram will be here, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!
Don't be fucking rude. Are you kidding me? I swear to God, don't be fucking rude and throw the thing on me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that. Stop. Oh my God.